they are the hardest issues to face. And I tell people when we're doing documents for them, those are the most difficult choices you're going to have to make. How do you want to be treated at the end of life? And that's really when a living will or an advance directive becomes important, is when you've got some sort of terminal illness. That's when it's really, but just having an open and honest conversation with the parent, and that's the most as a child or a sibling or a spouse that you can do. The decisions are the decisions are the individuals, and if they don't want to make them, that is just as much their right as it is to make them. Making some of these decisions ahead of time, the elders having a power of attorney or having a living will, those are really important documents to relieve a burden on a child also. In a living will, for instance, if a child has to make a decision about what sort of health care a parent would want, that's really hard. Even in the best of circumstances, even when you know what they want, if you're having to make a decision about, okay, am I going to keep them on a ventilator, or am I going to, should I authorize CPR? Those are really, really difficult decisions, and it eases that burden a little bit if the parent is able to say on paper, hey, this is what I want, and that's how I want to be treated. There are certain things we think everybody should take care of regardless of their age. Having planning done with a will and a healthcare power of attorney and a power of attorney for finances. Those are things you're never too young to do. Don't wait until it's a crisis. Talk to your family, talk to an attorney while you're healthy and you're still living at home. Talk to them ahead of time so you know, okay, if something happens, I'm prepared, or this is what my options are. Understanding your options is, that's the key probably to achieving the best outcome, the best life quality you can have.